Hello everyone, Riya this side. I hope you are doing good, and on this channel I create content related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hauls and a lot more. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, you already know by the title that this is going to be winter Myntra haul. So if you are interested in today's video, keep on watching. If you like the video, then watch till the end. And without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. So the first product of this haul is this sweatshirt slash hooded sweatshirt, and it is from Roadster. ये sweatshirt size medium में ली है because I like my winter cloth to be a little loose, क्योंकि layering करनी होती है और layering में obviously थोड़े loose अच्छे लगते हैं. Plus I think sweatshirts जो होती हैं वो थोड़ी loose ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं. So that's why I bought it in the size medium. Now to me this medium size is quite good. Plus side में try on चलता रहेगा, so it will be easier for you to judge how it looks in reality. Personally I think it looks exactly like the picture. मुझे काफी अच्छी लगी. The fit is quite good. Look भी बहुत अच्छा है. And the material is also very good, like it is thick and it is warm. It will keep you warm. It has these two pockets. Again try on clip में आपको दिख जाएगा. It has two pockets and the sleeves are quite long, as you can see. It is quite long, and it has this hoodie again with it. Now talking about the material, it is 60% cotton and 40% polyester, but I think it is quite comfortable. मुझे बहुत comfortable लगी, and I think you can go for it. Prices आपको screen पर मिल जाएंगे. Now moving on to our next product, which is this blue sweatshirt, and it says Forever Gorgeous. It is from the brand Mast and Harbor, and it is in the size medium. The color is steel blue and it is quite good. मेरे पास इस कलर की कोई भी sweatshirt या hoodie नहीं थी, so I bought this one and it looks really good. Now it has this round neck and with that drop shoulders. So if you don't know what is drop shoulder is ये जो sleeves है ये start होती है नीचे से, like shoulder पे नहीं होती है. इसकी जो stitching होती है, stitching इसकी dropped होती है नीचे की तरफ, तो वो ड्रॉप शोल्डर होता है. आई होप मैंने सही से एक्सप्लेन किया हो. एंड इट लुक्स रियली क्यूट. मुझे ये देखते ही पसंद आ गई थी, सो आई थिंक यू कैन ट्राई दिस. सो ओवरऑल आई थिंक इट इज अ मस्ट बाय. आई रियली लाइक दिस sweatshirt slash pullover. Again it is a cropped one. Yes, if you like to wear cropped sweatshirts, sweaters slash pullovers, then I think definitely you should go for it. So next up we have this black solid sweater, and it is from the brand called Tokyo Talkies. Now it has this turtle neck. The material of this sweater is acrylic again. The only reason that I bought it in the size medium is that again layering, winters में layering is very important. So I bought it in the size medium. So yes, I think you can buy it. The fitting is quite good. आपको try on में दिख जाएगी. The material is again a little thin, but I wouldn't say कि ये काम नहीं करेगा. I think it is quite warm. Now moving on to our next product. Now next up we have this beautiful maroon pullover sweater, and it is from the brand called Roadster again, and I am in the size medium again because obviously for layering purpose. Plus it is not cropped one, but it is quite short in length. So इसमें I think थोड़ा loose kind of sweater ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. Now it has this mock collar with this half zipper closure. I think it looks really elegant and the color is very pretty. I don't know if camera is catching the exact color, but it is in the dark maroon. Now for me the fitting is very good. The material is again very good. I think it is not very thin and it is very warm, to be honest. You can style it in many ways, like because it is a solid colored pullover sweater. So ये किसी भी टाइप की डेनिम के साथ चल जाएगा, एंड ये किसी भी कलर की डेनिम के साथ चल जाएगा. प्लस यू कैन लेट अप विद ओवरकोट और जैकेट एंड इट विल लुक रियली गुड. So yeah, I think you can definitely try it. So next up we have this black and white acrylic jumper, and it is from the brand H&M. I think H&M is one brand जो सबसे ज़्यादा stylish कपड़े निकालता है, because I really like their collection. बहुत ही stylish होती है. Again it is a drop shouldered jumper, plus the sleeves are quite long. आपको again try on में दिख जाएगा. And I bought it in the size small. इसकी जो size range है वो XS to XL है. So again XS would be a perfect fit for me, but I wanted it it to be a little loose, तो मैंने ये एक साइज अप करके स्मॉल में मंगाया है. Now it is a cropped jumper, so yes, keep that in mind. And finally it is warm, so yes, definitely you can go for it. I bought it in another color as well. So the last product is this purple solid acrylic jumper. Now again it is same as the previous one. The only thing is that color different है and वो black and white में था. It is a solid one. Again सारी चीज़ें सेम है. मेरा साइज इसमें अगेन स्मॉल है. ये अवेलेबल है XS to XL में. एंड मैंने अगेन वन साइज अप करके मंगाया. यू नो द रीजन. Again it is a cropped jumper and it has this dropped shoulder too with a long sleeve, so I think it looks really cute. Again the quality is very good. You can wear it on its own and you can layer it up as well, and I think इस पे purple लिखा हुआ है but it is a lavender color and it looks really cute. We all know कि आजकल lavender color कितना ज़्यादा in demand है. So yeah, I think it's quite good. So there are two color more available in these jumpers. One is black and one is beige. And this is it for today's haul. I really hope कि आपको ये haul अच्छा लगा हो and you liked all the products that I have shown in this haul. I will provide all the link of these clothing pieces in the description box. And yeah, I hope you really like the video. If you do, then you can give this video a big thumbs up. And for more such content, you can subscribe to my channel. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.